Hi, I'm Rob Seixas of the Pleasantville Farmers Market, and today I'm going to show you how to make a shaved asparagus salad with parsley, cheese, lemon juice, and toasted hazelnuts. Okay, so the ingredients and the measurements are 1 pound of asparagus will yield about 1 cup of shaved asparagus strips. We have 3 tablespoons of hazelnut oil, salt to taste as always, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 cup of parsley leaves, 1/2 cup of toasted chopped hazelnuts, and about a 1/2 cup of the shaved Parmesan or other hard cheese. Okay, so the next step is how to chop hazelnuts and also toast them, and we're going to toast them in the microwave. I prefer to chop nuts in a sealed bag. Ziploc is great. I don't like chopping nuts on a cutting board with a knife. It will dull your knife, and also you'll have nut pieces flying all over the place. So I just want to show you how to do this in a bag. Take a rolling pin. If you don't have a rolling pin, you could use a bowl and do this, but this is preferable, and you'll see why. So 2 different things. There's the smashing and rolling and pushing down, okay? Nuts are chopped. Now, toasting. I usually toast nuts, or often toast nuts in an oven, but microwave is an amazing way to toast nuts. So I put a little bit of oil in the bag, and that will help to promote the browning in the microwave. Give it a little bit of a shake. And then right on a microwave safe plate, and in the microwave for 3 minutes. So for the main star, the star of the show, asparagus. Take the asparagus and hold it like this and just run water over the tops. This is called a Y peeler, shaped like a Y. It's usually preferred as there's a greater area, there's more flexibility, it's lighter and all of that. Fatter spears are usually easier. You'll get more yield. Right here, usually where the color changes is when you know that it's a little bit too tough down here. Pinch, first slice, save in your trimmings. Take it again, light touch, no pushing down, okay? And again, okay? And you just keep going. Time to shave the Parmesan or any other hard cheese you have. I'm just going to use the Y peeler, and whenever you're peeling, if you can, just really get accustomed to peeling away from your body. Sometimes you'll have to do this, that's fine, but just recognize that this is like a knife, and you just need to be cognizant of what you're doing. So hold it like this, and you just scrape down. All right, now it's time to assemble the salad. So we'll take our asparagus shavings right in the bowl. Okay. Next, the cheese right in. Parsley, not all of it. I'm gonna leave a little bit for a garnish, okay? But I'm gonna take the rest, put it right in. Same with the toasted hazelnuts. I'm gonna put most of it in, but just leave a little bit, up to you. I'm gonna add some lemon juice, leave some in there. Same with the oil. And I'm gonna take a pinch of salt, okay? The reason why I'm doing that is that some people prefer a salad that's more acidic or less acidic. It's really up to you. So now for the mixing, just turn it over like this. You can even turn the bowl. So there, it's mixed. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna taste it. I may need to adjust one of the ingredients. So I'm gonna taste it. Salt. And a little more lemon. Okay. Mixed it a little more. Now I'm going to use a fresh fork and taste it. Perfect. All right, time to plate. And reserve garnish, some hazelnuts, and some parsley. And that's it. And there it is, our shaved asparagus salad with parsley, cheese, and toasted hazelnuts. And you'll find many of these ingredients at the market. So enjoy, and I'll see you soon.